Hi, I'm Will, and I'm here to run you through everything there is to know about the newly announced Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This year we actually have two new models, the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, with 6.3 and 6.8 inch screens respectively. It's nice to have some choice. Notably, we have a new hole punch camera at the top of the screen, right in the middle there. This allows for a massive 90% screen to body ratio. Awesome. Both phones have the same three rear cameras as the Galaxy S10 series. We have a regular 12 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel zoom camera, and my favourite, the 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Note 10 Plus also has a 3D depth sensor, which aids with the new live focus video feature. This is basically like portrait mode, but with real-time video recording. It's super cool. Under the covers, we've got Samsung's latest 9825 Exynos processor. It's an absolute powerhouse. This is accompanied by 8GB of RAM on the Note 10 or 12GB on the Note 10 Plus, both coming with 256GB of storage on the base models. Absolutely plenty. This year, sadly, we don't have a microSD card slot on the smaller Note 10. You'll need to buy the Note 10 Plus if you need that. And there's no headphone jack on either models. Sorry about that. It is 2019 after all. You do get some pretty sweet AKG earphones in the box though, in addition to a super fast charger which will get you up to 50% charge in 30 minutes on the smaller Note 10. Very nice. Bringing attention now to the S Pen, Samsung have made some pretty nice changes. The S Pen is super useful across the entire OS, and it's now got air actions, so you can wave it like a magic wand to perform certain actions. It works at up to 40 meters from the smartphone, super handy for controlling the camera remotely. Charging the S Pen for just 6 minutes by putting it inside the phone should give you 11 hours of usage. Thanks for watching this video. If you're a content creator, this is the phone for you. Click the button up here and buy the phone from giffgaff today.